How to fix Wild Rift login error. If you're encountering login errors in League of Legends Wild Rift, such as login timed out or unable to connect the server, here are several types that you can take to resolve the issue. Before troubleshooting, verify if Wild Rift servers are operational. You can check the official Riot Games server status page or down detector for any reported outages. Restart your device and network. Sometimes simply restarting your device and router can resolve connectivity issues. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa to determine if the issue is network related. Clear app cache and data. On Android devices, go to Settings, Apps, then find Wild Rift, and from here clear the cache and data. And finally, update or reinstall the game. Ensure that Wild Rift is updated to the latest version. If issues persist, uninstall and reinstall the game to fix any corrupted files. Make sure that auto update is enabled. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.